I've always been very much into, let's say, experiences over length of time for friendships and stuff. There's people in there who I've been mates with for 25, 30 years. But then, there's people who I've been mates with for 9 months, 6 months, who I would say that my friendship is as deep with them, if not the people I've known for 30 years. And it's always been down to the level and the quality of the experiences and stuff that we've shared. And I look at the experience I had with the TV thing the other week. Yeah,
I mean, you go through something that some people will never get to do. Hundreds of thousands of people apply to go on Love Island, and only about 30 of them get to go in there. And I've took friendships from that I'll have for life. Like, I think one of the most amazing things to come out of the career I do is the people that I meet, because I've got friends that, like you said, I might have only met in the last couple of years, but will be my friends for life.
One of the things I'm always talking about to people with networking and developing your business relationships is to try and find unusual experiences or to think out the box with how you can put on experiences to bond with your prospects, with your customers, etc. Because again, going to lunch or having a couple of drinks in the pub, yes, okay, it's better than not building relationships with these people at all. But I've been on runs with people or been to the boxing gym or whatever, and I always say that that 1 hour I've spent in the boxing gym, it might be the most bizarre or unusual thing you would expect to do with a work prospect or a potential customer. But I do a lot of holidays where I take people on ski trips, on beach trips, on experiences, but I guarantee that the level of relationship we have after that 1 hour in a boxing in a boxing training session or 4 or 5 days on a holiday, and I know everyone's got their own budgets that that they can afford to do with their potential prospects. But if there's any possible way to think of different ways to create different or different bonding experiences, then it will absolutely materially impact on your relationships and then the ultimate business that can be done with these people.